What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're on S Motorsports. Today we're going to be working on the Camaro again. I wanted to show you what I got today, as it is a part that's going to improve the look of the car a lot, I think. And it is the infamous ZL1 1LE rear taillights. As most of you probably know, these are very hard to come by right now, as they are either discontinued or back ordered where you cannot get them. So I was lucky enough to be on the forums, the 6th Gen forums, at the right time. Someone was selling a set and I jumped on it right away because I had an order placed with a dealer that said they could get them. I was kind of skeptical if they could actually get them or not, but I never really got to find out because I canceled that order. So yeah, I was lucky enough to pick up this set, and I mean, basically it was cheaper than ordering them online, but I wanted to show you this. These are the part numbers for the individual lights. Focus. As you can buy these separately through the dealer, because supposedly these are not on back, or they're on back order, but supposedly they're not discontinued, where the set they have is discontinued. And then eventually I will do another video. I got the third brake light, which will get that installed too. But these lights are pretty easy to install, so it should be a pretty quick process. But as you can see, I got them cleaned up. The guy, obviously bought some new rear tail lights, probably with a sequential look, which that's fine by me. Like, this is what I wanted. I cleaned them up. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them. So hopefully they work, as intended. I also got the LED upgrade from him, which, he didn't even use the bulbs, but this is where you plug in, and then it's got the resistor. But I don't really care that much about that. Maybe eventually I'll do that. I got the bulbs if I want to swap it out, but for the time being, I just replaced the rear reverse light with just a normal incandescent silver star bulb. So hopefully it's a little whiter light, but it's still going to be yellow compared to, the LED lights would be. But man, do they look good. So right, guys, let's get to installing this. It's going to be pretty easy, I think. We just got to pop some panels off and the lights will just pull it out, and it's just a plug and play. All right, we are going to start on the passenger side, which we just got to pop some of these clips out. I think I'm going to pull out the rear plastic piece in the back just so it makes it easier to pull the fabric back, as we have to pull this trunk liner back to get access to the bolts. So I'm going to take this out too, just because it's probably going to make it a little easier for both sides. Okay, guys, you're really not going to need very many tools. I just got a little screwdriver to help pry up the first little piece, and then I got a plastic pry tool to pop those up. Now that we got the back popped off, we can pull back this carpet a little easier. We have to remove one clip here, and I think, yeah, there's one up here too. We might not have to remove that one now that we got this removed. Probably just this one, hopefully. Which then we can pull this carpeting back. Oops, knock over your light. That's always good. And then we have a little bit of access here. So as you can see, there's 2 bolts there. Oh, I think there's supposed to be one right there, but I think I am missing a little nut there. Pop came right out. Oh, yeah. Alright. So that was kind of hard to show with one hand. But it's just got the little red tab you got to pull back on and then push and pull out. And then this is just a little clip that just pushes over right here and holds the wire harness in place so it's not flopping around. All right, the new light goes back in. We'll push that clip back in the same spot to hold the wiring harness. And then, maybe I should have clipped that in first. Clip, push the red tab back in, and then we're good to go. And now we can just slide this back in. Line up those holes. And, man, that's easy. Now we put the two little nuts back on. Hold everything in place. Oh man, look at the difference already. Compared to this side. I mean, the red doesn't look bad since I have a red car, but the black just looks good, looks mean. All right, we're gonna finish up the other side, get that side done, and it's the same process, and then we'll take a final look at what it looks like. Oh yeah, it looks good. Guys, it looks way better. It just looks mean. Yeah, next episode, we're gonna be doing this guy, so it matches. Well, I think that's it for this episode. Let me know what you think. I know not everybody can get these. Even aftermarket are hard to get right now, but like I said, I got lucky, and I think it looks good. It's gonna make the Camaro look a little bit meaner. But till next time, thanks guys.